Okay, we're back again. We have these parametric equations here, and what we want to do is take them and construct a rectangular equation from them. And we saw in the last video how we could go about doing that, and here's another example. So pause the video and try to find the rectangular equation here. All right, assuming that you've given it a go. Again, our goal here is to eliminate the parameter, or you could say we just want to kill the t. We want to get rid of all mentions of t and just have an equation expressed in terms of x and y. And in order to do that, let's see here. It looks like we can actually end up leveraging a trigonometric identity. I see sine and cosine, so maybe we could end up using something like this. We can remember that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. And let's see if we can get that to work. What I want to do is let's add 1 over on this equation, this parametric equation for x, and let's subtract 3 for this parametric equation for y. So we're going to be left with this. X plus 1 is equal to cosine of t. And then down here we have y minus 3 is equal to sine of t. And now it looks like we can square both sides of both of these equations, add them together, and then we could end up using this trigonometric identity. So let's square both sides of these guys. We have this here. Okay. And we said we're going to then add these guys together. So what do we have? We have x plus 1 squared, and then we have plus y minus 3 squared. Y minus 3 squared, and then this is our trigonometric identity right here. So this is just equal to 1, and you could see, there we go. We've successfully killed the t. We've gotten rid of our parameter t. And this equation here, what is this? This right here, this curve is a circle. This is a circle, and it has a center of -1, 3. And let's see, let's get a graph on this. Graph this beforehand. This is our circle right here. So now we get a visual representation of what's going on with these parametric equations, and we were able to graph those out on an x, y coordinate axes, which is pretty cool.